Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Shara May Collado, 27 years old. I live in Santa Luciana, Cagayan City, Isabela, single. And I have two kids, two girls, 6 years old and 7 years old. I have siblings, two brothers and one sister. And I am the eldest. And I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in Philippines, 2 years only, one couple and one child, 7 years old.
What are your responsibilities?
I have responsibilities, do cooking, ironing, washing, and take care of child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check her temperature and I will tell to my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, patient, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my family and better future for my child.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my family member.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and I will call them if I have day off.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
10 p.m. in the night and 6 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so proactive and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will feel them that I will care for them by playing with them and being friendly with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share the room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn Chinese.
Can you
dishes.
sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my employer, please select me because I am hardworking, I am honest and trustworthy, and I'm willing to learn.
Okay.